ways to say I love you in dog language. You may know how to tell if your dog loves you, but do you know how to tell your dog you love them back? Often, the best way to tell a dog you love them is through mimicry. Dogs rely on facial expressions and whole body language to communicate. The better you understand canine communication and how your dog feels, the better you'll be able to empathize and bond with them, expressing your love right back at them. By learning to interpret dog body language and mimic the pack behavior your dog craves, you can say I love you to your dog in the loving ways. Here are 8 ways to say I love you in dog language. 1. Don't be embarrassed to use your dog voice. Studies using MRI technology show dogs understand human language better than previously thought. So holding that one-way conversation with your dog isn't as crazy as you might think. You know the words also. Reading to dogs has been shown to calm anxious and high-energy dogs in shelters and bring shy dogs out of their shells. Be a good listeners. Not sure if you're getting the message of love across? Your dog's body language will tell you. Look for all of the dog's body languages of love. A wagging tail, eye contact, a raised eyebrow. Conversely, keep an eye out for the warning signs in an anxious dog. A stuck tail, lip licking, your dog's eyes are popping out or diverted. Loving gazes. Your dog's eyes do much of their talking. You can communicate back to them using the same language of eye contact. When a dog gives too long, lingering eye contact, it's a way of saying Iloveyou. Staring down a dog in a forceful manner can be a sign of aggression for your dog. Four, facial expressions of love. No matter how we may wish to hide our feelings, even from our dogs, most pet owners know that animals are sensitive to our emotional states. You can be intentional about what your face is telling your dog. Five, the lean of love. Did you know that a dog will lean against you as a sign of love and trust? Unless the lean seems to be a anxious behavior or a not so subtle push toward the door, this body positive from your dog, and be reciprocated to shown affection. Six, cuddles and naps. Part of you dog's aforementioned residual pack behavior is playing hard and then resting together. Even if you don't care to let your dog in bed with you, an afternoon nap together on the couch or in the grass will deepen your dog feeling of a pack connection, and like humans, dogs thrive on physical contact. So while your dog may not enjoy a nice cuddle session offers the connection they crave. Seven, strolling. Dogs thrive on routine and schedule, so a daily walk with training mixed in will help your dog understand how much you love and care for them. Walks and adventures give plenty of opportunities to work on skills like loose leash walking. These shared experiences and training sessions build trust, communication, and that pack connection. Eight, the touch of love. Just touching your dog release oxytocin in you and your dog, so a soothing massage, gentle grooming session, or extended petting time will tell your dog in no uncertain terms how much you love them. In particular, rubbing your dog's ears works to release oxytocin in their body. Your canine language of love. Learning to say Iloveyou to your dog, a simple matter of getting to know both your dog's individual body language as well as those comforts of pack, like that your dog's animal brain still cravs. I hope guys you enjoyed watching this video and learned more about our pet dogs. Thanks for watching. Bye.